Hello everybody! So today I have made KHAMAN dhokla, which is what they call this dish in India. This is actually a savory dish. You usually have it with tea. Well, I usually have it with tea anyways. This is really nice. You guys need to try it. It has like a cakey texture, but then it's like a savory type of cake. So it's really good.
One eternity later.
I was talking too much. First off, we are going to make a water bath in the oven. I am pouring cold water, but you may use boiling water as well. Turn the oven on fan to 100 degrees Celsius. Now, we will need 3 eggs, 1 cup of gram flour sieved, 1 cup of semolina, 3/4 cup of plain yogurt, juice of 2 lemons, salt to taste, more or less 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or more depending on how strong yours is, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder or paste, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 cup of vegetable oil, two sachets of eno, fresh coriander.
¡Vámonos!
And I'm going to put all the dry spices, the lemon juice, the yogurt. And I'm going to put half of the coriander. So give everything a mix. I'm using the oven as I don't have the proper pan for the water bath. So if you have the proper pans, feel free to use. It will be 45 minutes on a water bath stove, I can say more or less. I forgot the oil, add that in as well. Give it a good mix so we don't have any lumps or anything unmixed. If you liked it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, then let me know in the comments below what I can do better. I am accepting constructive criticism. Also, I forgot to mention, if you want to add chopped chilies in the batter, then feel free to do so. So this mixture does seem a little thick, so what I'm going to do is add a bit of water. It's okay to add water if you feel it's thick, but if yours is thinned out, then that's perfect. Just go little by little. Yeah, and mix slow as well. So I have this round pan. I already brushed it with oil. Make sure it's a little high because this actually does grow a lot. It becomes like a cakey texture. It's really good. So the last thing we're going to do once this is brushed, we are going to put our packets of the salt, the eno. So we're using 2. This you put the last, it has to be the last thing you put, because as soon as you put this, it's straight into the oven. Can't even sit or anything. So just give it a mix. And it goes here. I'll scrape everything off because, I mean, why not, right? Okay, make sure it's even because we don't want it growing crooked. Tap. Now the last thing I'm going to do is put some paprika on top. I'm going to use my fingers. You can use a sieve, a teaspoon, like whatever you want. You can also use chili powder. I'm just going to use paprika. cover this with foil and take it to the oven. So the reason why I take it to the oven is because I don't have the actual pan, and it's simpler for everyone to have an oven. As you can tell, my water was boiling, so be really careful. Drop it in carefully and make sure it's all covered. In there for 1 hour it goes. Also remove the fan and leave it on normal. Open straight where you are and just take a toothpick and put it in the center just to make sure that it's clean. This one is clean. My memory card was full. So as I was saying, if your toothpick doesn't come out clean, then what you do is you put more water if it's needed, and then it goes back in the oven. Put 10 minutes and then check again. We don't want to burn it. So mine is done, and now what I'm going to do is make the mixture for the top, which is a mixture of oil and some Indian spices, which I'll show you. Put oil in a small frying pan. Add around 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of whole cumin, a few curry leaves. Mix it well and take it to heat. Put it on medium heat so it doesn't burn. Be very careful as this can jump on you. Now you can see it's bubbling, which means it's frying. So we're gonna leave it like this for 30 seconds and then we mix. Now we give it a gentle mix. And it's done. So I don't usually put all of the oil because I just put a little, just to keep it with some moisture. Since mine are quite thick, it's okay for me to put a little. Add fresh coriander at the top and cut into squares. Okay guys, this is how we made it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I know there are many other ways of making this specific recipe. So if you have any other way of making it, then please do tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do, it will help a lot. I will be posting videos weekly now, all different kinds of recipes and everything. And if you want something in specific, then please do tell me and I will make it for you guys. Oh, and also I do have an Instagram page which I'll be putting in the description below. So do give it a follow because most of the things that happens daily on YouTube and all that, I posted there. So you guys stay updated, of course. And see you next time.